Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today in mathematics I'm going to be talking about how to integrate a polynomial function. Look at this question here. The question says integrate 2x exponent 3 plus 2x divided by x with respect to x. So for me to do this, the first thing to do is to introduce the sign of integration, which is this. Okay, so I'm going to write 2x cubed plus 2x divided by x dx. So this is the first thing to do. This is a definite integral because there is no, it doesn't have both the upper and the lower limit. So in this case, what I need to do, looking at this expression, this polynomial expression, it has both numerator and denominator, and x is the denominator. So I'm going to divide the numerator by x. So 2x cubed divided by x, I'm going to get, alright, is here. I'm going to get 2x raised to the power of 2. Now plus, because this x will cancel out one x from x cubed. So I'll have x raised to the power of 2. Then plus 2x, so 2x divided by x will cancel x, I'll have 2 remaining the x. Now, the next thing to do is to integrate using the formula for integration. We know the formula for integration, which is ax n plus 1 divided by n plus 1. Okay, now that is the next thing to do, integrating using this formula. Now, the variable given here is x, so and n is the power of the given variable. So here it is 2. So I'm going to replace n with 2. So I'm going to write, integrating this expression, I'm going to have 2x raised to the power of 2 plus 1 divided by 2 plus 1. Then plus, so this is a constant 2. It doesn't have a variable attached to it. So now what I need to do, integrating it, I'm going to get 2x. And remember that plus constant. So remember that integration is opposite of differentiation. So if I'm integrating 2, I'm going to get 2x. But if I'm differentiating 2x, I'm going to get 2. Now this is what it should be. So I'll simplify. I'll simplify this expression here. And I have 2x. 2 plus 1 is 3. Divided by 2 plus 1, 3. Plus 2x plus constant. That is integration constant. Looking at this expression, I can simplify further. This is going to be the answer. Thank you for watching.